everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, so in today's video, we're going to be decorating a tier tray. Come on with me, guys. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my videos and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've known me for a while or even from the very beginning, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. So I have some reminders for you, so let's get started, guys. Okay, so tomorrow is Tablescape Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week. Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Tomorrow we have no guests, so it's freestyle. Let's move on to the next one. Now, on March 14 at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have the Spring Entryway Refresh. So you don't want to miss that. Cannot wait to have you guys. Let's move on to the next one. Now on March 16 at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have Wreaths Galore. And so yes, it's making its way back. This is called Spring is Blooming. It's going to be amazing. Just create any wreath, garland, swag, or centerpiece, as many as you want, or one. It doesn't matter what it is. I cannot wait to have you there. It's going to be amazing, guys. Let's move on to the next one. Now on March 20th, we have Hopping into Spring, and that's the tier tray collaboration, and it is at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So that too is going to be so much fun, guys. I cannot wait to have you guys join. So let's move on to the next one. Now, let's not forget that the last Friday of the month, we have the wood serving collaboration, and that is at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Details for this one will be coming shortly. Okay, so remember to pause your videos if you need to so that you can jot these dates down because they're very important. And yes, let's continue on with the tier tray and see how that's coming. So I'm really liking the combination of that golden pink. I don't know how you guys feel about it, but I love it. So I am almost done here decorating this, so we're going to be heading on over to the reveal very shortly. It's so beautiful. I absolutely love it. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.